now that we actually have an effect, we gotta start thinking about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the echo up to the top in game state so I can test a little better. We're already here. Yeah. I'm gonna move the nothing effect also to the top. I don't know about that. I'm gonna move it. Yeah, I'm gonna move it to the very top. So right now the nothing effect is at 3/4. I'll make it at 4/4, which is just 1, but that's fine. The fourth row, which is all the way on the top, and I'll make this guy also. I can make this guy all the way on the bottom. Yeah. I'm going to do this. I'm also going to say make it 1/8 the size. And this will allow guys to squeeze under. Yeah. I'm going to make the start the X pos. What is the X pos? Instead of being in the middle for this guy, I'm going to make them on 3/4. Reason for that, you'll see in a second. I don't really know how this is going to look, to be honest. But I will be able to generate long sounds. Looks like this. Hello, would you be so kind as to do... Ah, shit, same problem. Okay. I forgot to move that down a row, the echo effect. So I'm going to move that down to first row. Wait a minute. So that's the first row? That's weird. Okay, we'll try it. Now I have sufficient space to do my delay stuff. I noticed this camera doesn't pick up so well. Whatever. On the 3GS. Hello, would you do a long sound? I'm thinking you can do a very long sound. And then you can eventually get down to the bottom and do an actual echo sound, please. Okay. What are you doing? You can do it. You can do it. It's not that far. Just get down there and get into the effect thing. I know it's far away. I need to put the volume up. It's interesting, the mic seems to still work even though we didn't calibrate for this thing. By the way, so this is a 3GS before we were testing on iPhone 4. The color is really weak. I mean, when I look at it like this, it looks fine, but through the camera, it's horrible. Okay, well anyway, okay. I mean, it's kind of fun to look at. But it gets really nonsensical. So it doesn't look like the processed effect thing, the multi-threaded thing is issue yet. I'm going to put it on hold just for a little while longer. Yeah, there's a few other things I want to get around to. And we could implement this. Look into muting the mic. The program no longer crashes, I believe. I'm gonna run it one more time. Special attention to the long sound. I didn't watch the frames per second in that initial long sound. I forgot that I have this guy to control things. This block. I can control it with my finger. So I'm gonna use that. Oh shoot. Let's start again. Okay. I'm gonna test it out. Hello, I'm going to do a very, very long sound. You better be ready. You better be ready. You better be ready. Oh shucks. It's too long and it won't fit in the down the corridor. Okay, I'll try that again. Okay, this is going to be a long sound, but not that long, but about this long. I can't do it. Come on, you can fit, you can fit, you can fit. Get down there. Get the hell down there. No. Go down there. Ah, you bastard. Can't do it, can't do it. No, no. Ah, it's like exactly the size of the space I need to fit it through. Well, this is kind of fun, to be honest. It's just spring physics. Maybe I can push it through the wall. No. God damn it. It's just... Yeah, so basically I've been trying to push this big object down here, but it's too big. I have to navigate through all my complaint sounds. One more time. Okay, this is the last time. Okay, this is the last time. Oh, fuck. That, it went out of the normal effect. Okay, this is the last time. This... Okay, this is the last... Yeah, it doesn't slow down. It doesn't really slow down much. Doesn't really slow down much. Yeah, it's pretty instant. I'm not going to worry about that yet. I mean, it is something that I like to do. I like to make apps multi-threaded when it means something. Definitely once we start doing the analysis part, though, I think, depending on how complex we get, we will need that multi-threaded push. Right now, I think collision detection is more of a... I'm not sure why, but collision detection can use a lot of work, optimization work. Once we have like 100 objects. Yeah, I think we're doing like an n squared divided by 2 kind of thing. Alright, once object hits wall, it's killed. Well, we dealt with this by moving the walls around. And the objects do get killed once they run into the wall the second time. Look into muting the mic when outputting sound. Okay, so I'm killing this. This stuff below would be cool. If we do a gradual... we do a gradual populate and a gradual release, gradual deletion. Right now, once the square hits the object, the effect object, it disappears, and there's that issue we were talking about. Immature sounds, unfinished sounds. Get cut. Those get cut off and we don't have any output that's meaningful. So we could deal with that. That might be the first thing to work with. This is the first step, and then we can add the gradual populate, which is a visual thing. What do I mean? Yeah, so I would like the objects, both when they get, well, when they get spit out, they happen the right way. They populate in